Hey everyone! Today we're checking out the Asidrama 10-pack of 7.5-inch matte black cabinet pulls that add a sleek touch to your kitchen or any room. These cabinet handles are made from high-quality metal, ensuring rust-proof, anti-corrosion, and non-toxic durability for long-lasting use. Each handle comes individually packaged to prevent damage during shipping, so they arrive in perfect condition. Installation is simple with included screws of 2 sizes, allowing you to customize based on your cabinet thickness. These versatile pulls fit a wide range of furniture including kitchen cabinets, drawers, dressers, closets, and more. Cleaning is easy thanks to their smooth matte black finish, keeping your space looking fresh and modern. Plus, Asidrama stands behind their product quality with responsive customer support for any questions you may have. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.